Hey Daisies, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a clean with me, not a deep cleaning, just a tidy up of my bedroom. It is the weekend, so I am just going to basically get my bedroom in order so that it looks decent, even though I am going to be at home today. And I also have a few new items that I'm going to be adding in here that I'm going to share with you as well. So the first thing I'm starting with is making up my bed. I always like to make up my bed first, therefore I can get all of my covers together and all of my pillows off of the floor and everything. So I received this sheet set from Bedscape, and it is their Sateen sheet set in the color dark gray, and enclosed inside is a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases. Now these are really nice sheets. They are 350 thread count and they feel really great. They're really thick, and that's what I love about sheets, because I like for my sheets to be like really thick and comfortable and not feel like gritty and grainy, and these don't have that texture at all. Another great thing about these sheets is that they are 100% cotton, and they are also chemical free, which is really good. I found these pretty gray velvet pillows from the at-home store. I really wanted some Euro pillows to put at the very top of my bed, and these are perfect, so I have 3 of them. Dust off my furniture, because since it's wood, it really collects dust, and with it being dark you can really see it. So I'm just gonna go around my room and dust off all of my wooden pieces and also my mirrored and my glass pieces. I'm adding these new candle holders to my nightstand. I picked each of these up from Ross, and I thought it was great to have the 3 different tiers. So I don't have candles for them yet, but I'm thinking something along the lines of like white and silver that I'm going to add on top of these. But I thought they were really nice, and they have that dark granite silver tone, which goes really great with the colors in my bedroom. I'm lighting another one of my favorite candles from Bath & Body Works. It is Black Cherry Merlot, and I love it, one, because the packaging is purple, but it also smells amazing. I picked up this vase from Ross as well, and I thought that it would go great over in the corner by my curtains. It's a pretty tall vase, and I love how shiny and silver it is. I had some floral stems left over from the fall that I didn't use, so I'm just going to temporarily put them in this vase. I really want to get some of those really large roses to put in here, so I will probably add those at a later date, but for today I'm just going to put my fall floral stems in here and call it a day. So the newest addition to my bedroom that I am most excited about has to be my chandelier. I finally removed that ceiling fan and my light fixture is installed, and I absolutely love it. I love all the crystal jewels that hang from it. It just really fits perfectly over my canopy bed. And I will leave the link to this light fixture down below in the description box. So now my room is nice and tidy, and I can just relax the rest of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed this clean with me / decorate with me, and I will be eventually doing a full tour. There are a few more statement pieces that I want to add in here before I am complete with this space. So all of the links will be down below. Visit Bedscape.com. They have some really amazing sheets and duvet covers online as well, and they are really good quality. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. As always, bye daisies.